Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Vedic Mathematics, EKADHIKENA PURVENA Sutra-1, Class 6. The remainder in tens place and also in ones place. Now we will start. 978 plus 263. See the image. As usual, first we should see the numbers, focus the number. Tens place 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 is above 100. So, this 100 is calculated to 100 place number. Then ones place 8 plus 3 is 11. 10, it is above 10. So, this 10 number is calculated to tens place number. Now we will start to calculate. 900 plus 200. What it will be? 1100 is the answer. Tens place 70 plus 60. 130. 130 above 100. So, this 100 is calculated to 100 place number. Then go to ones place. 8 plus 3 is 11, above 10. So this 10 number is calculated to tens place numbers. All the numbers is highlighted in colors. Remainder is highlighted in pink color. Okay. First we should calculate the remainder number. 100 plus 10. See the image. 100 plus 10 is 110. 110 keep in your mind. Then add the 100 place number. 900 plus 200 is 1100. 1100 plus 110. Wow, how much it will be? 1210. This keep in your mind. 1210. Then go to tens place. 70 plus 60, 130. Okay. So the 100 we calculated. So 30. Okay. 1230. 1230 keep in your mind. Go to ones place. 8 plus 3, 11. 10 we added. So what it will be? 11 means 1 is the ones place answer. So what it is? Please say me. 1241 will be the answer. Okay. Please try yourself. First it will be tough. When you practice, see, hear, see, practice, then it will be very easy. Mind calculation is very important. Okay. If you practice this one, really memory power will increase. Mind calculation. 978 plus 263. Okay. Focus the number of ones place, tens place. Ones place 8 plus 3 is 11. It is above 10. This 10 is calculated to tens place number. And 70 and 60, 130. It is above 100. 130 is above 100. So 100 is calculated to 100 place number. That is the systematic thing. Now we will start to calculate. 900 plus 200 is first calculate the remainder number. That is 70 plus 60. How much it will be? 130. That 130 is above 100. So 100 keep in your mind and add everything in 100 place number. 100 plus 900 is equal to 1000. 1000 plus 200, 1200. Then focus the tens place. 70 plus 60, 130. Okay. Then focus the ones place answer. Okay. 8 plus 3, how much it will be? 11. 10 we added to tens place. So 1 is the ones place answer. what it will be, how we should calculate. Just see, 1240 plus 1. 1241 is the answer. Please practice again and again. See, first writing things and practice, then mind calculation. If you practice in your mind again and again, it will come. Thank you. Dear students, please subscribe, share and click bell icon so you will receive all my videos. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.